If you're looking for opportunity, this is a world of opportunity with the number of different industries that we serve and the clients that we serve. I started out as a technician in a van, doing small repairs here and there, and progressed into an engineer, chief engineer, manager, director.
I think the most interesting part of CBRE is the environments that we work in tend to span the range from hospitals and medical facilities all the way to oil and gas production facilities and pretty much everything in between. I really enjoy working in the production environments and really learning about the processes that our clients use and how we can best enhance them and help them do their core business better.
We are proud of our delivery service, but most of all, we are proud of safety before service. We talk a lot about safety at CBRE, but it's more than just talk. It's personal to us here. It's embedded in our decision-making processes day in and day out.
It's a very family atmosphere, even with the world's largest real estate companies. It's impressive to me how CBRE can still feel like a family, yet be so large.
We're proud to offer a workplace that attracts a diverse group of individuals, and we're here to promote and help those individuals grow. We do that through our training programs, through our RISE values, through opportunity for growth.
That's one of the great things that I love about CBRE is just my ability to develop my career. In 14 years that I've been able to go from the chief engineer to building to director of engineering for the Americas.
I've got a couple individuals that started out carrying tools and were a regular operating engineer, and now they're supervisors or managers that are continuing to progress as well.
From a starting entry-level technician apprentice through a maintenance assistant, maintenance tech, building engineer, assistant chief engineer, lead engineer, the opportunities for growth and advancement in this company are tremendous. Your career can take you anywhere.